Hi everybody, we are back again with our best tutorials. It's been not long, but it's been a while that we are not able to publish any videos, but now we are back with a bang. This time we are considering an common topic, but it's really an important topic in hardening, that is the hardening part 3, in which we will be covering securing user accounts. The user account hardening include the imposition of stringent password management, password aging, audit the user parameters. User management is not complex, but to harden the user provisioning is a design work. One can say that what is a big complex thing in managing users, that when you are working in a cloud environment, when you are working in an environment uh, which in which you need to provide access to the users in DMZ, then you need to plan this user management. So as we all know, password expiration is defined in etc password file, but the file is not word readable format as commands need to map UID with respective user. So password need to be stored in dedicated file which is etc shadow, right? So if I'm talking about the password file, one shouldn't play with password file and shadow file permissions. This is a basic thing. Your password is stored in encrypted format in shadow file. You can recover your shadow file by using pvconfig or by restoring it to edc shadow tilde, right? Next is team and management need to discuss before applying any heading parameters to user provisioning, which include maximum password age, length, warning period, inactive period, and expiration. By default, if you go into etc login default, you will get all these parameters, but you need to decide how much password age I need to set, what's the length, it should be complex or a simple password, what's the warning period before the user is being told that your password is going to expire, then inactive period, and then what's the expiration after the inactive period. Here are few recommendations for file and permission security hardenings. Always force user to change the password after first login. This is the basic thing. This might look simple, but you need to do it. If you want that there shouldn't be any inclusive from DMZ, then you should force the user to change password on first login. Don't ever change permissions. That I've already told, don't play with permissions of shadow file. One thing I just want to add here is that you shouldn't take user management as light as we always take, because many of the vulnerabilities in market is providing the root access to user without using sudo. So one should always use sudo before deciding to give the root password to the user, right? So this is what I'm covering in this third part of hardening, that is user management. This might look a easy topic, but it is important to us. Please subscribe to our videos so that we can carry on our good work. We will be covering, in order to get all hardening, just follow the hardening part 1, 2, and we will be coming with other parts. And this is a great video if you are going to interview, because they might ask you these questions. Bye, have a nice day.